allowing apps to access your email accounts. Nowadays, it's really common for websites to simplify the registration process for their actual site or community. Because of this, you will often be presented with the option to sign up or log in using various different popular social networks and accounts. This could include Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Gmail, and so on. This entire process is most often referred to as allowing third-party app access to your account. This generally isn't much of an issue or concern. However, you need to be aware of the information that you are sharing with these networks when you initially sign up or log in to the site. You can almost always choose the exact information you are sharing with these sites by selecting or deselecting little bubbles. In the end, you will usually have to share something like your email, but that's not really much of an issue. If it is, you can always sign up with a throwaway email or a separate email account altogether. Something that you should be aware of is the third-party app that is accessing your information. Use the same precautions for this type of thing as you would with sharing your personal email. Don't use this method or share details with a suspicious-looking site or a suspicious-looking third-party app, especially if it seems to be asking for a lot of information during the sign-up integration process. As a whole, you don't really have to be too concerned about allowing these third-party apps to have access or connect to your email account or other social media account. It's usually just to extract the email and allow you to bypass the registration process of filling out the forms. Just be sure to emphasize caution with the sign-in connection process, just as you would with sharing any personal information or your email account in any other situation.